Hey YouTube, it's the TheDroidGuru here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a custom boot logo and custom boot animation. So pretty much anything that beats stock. So today you're going to need to be rooted. If you're not rooted, I have a video out for Droid 2.2.1 and Samsung Galaxy S 2.2. I'll show you how to root all of those devices in another video I'll have in the description. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So like I said, boot logo and boot animation, I'm going to show you how to get customs. And like I said, you'll need to be rooted. So go ahead and start this. Go into your settings, and then go into applications, and just make sure unknown sources is checked. Most of you probably are if you've been watching my videos, but you will be installing APK files online, not the market, so that's the reason you'll need that checked. But like I said, go online, go to my website, right here. I'll have a link in this for the description. Let's see if I can do this with the camera. Droid Hut, that's DroidHut.net, droidhut.net. Go to my website. Alright, so here we are at the home page. If you want to go look around, I've worked really hard. I've had this website for about 6 months. I've been paying for it for a while, so please click any ads that you see. But this is something that's new. It's pretty cool. I have another website, droidflix.net. This little button right here will take it to you. It's got theater movies that are still in theaters you can watch on your phone, and you don't even need a computer to download them. So that's pretty cool, but we're going to go ahead and stay on track. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to Root Uses right here. Click this little button. And you're going to want to install the middle option here, Rom Manager. We're not going to be installing any ROMs or anything. We're just going to be using it as a backup tool. It's a really nice recovery and backup tool. But go ahead and go back to the home page. Once you're at the home page, do this option here, Boot Logo and Animation Changer. Click this button. Alright, so now we are here. I just have a little disclaimer. No worries at all. All it says is I'm not responsible for any damage you cause to your phone. Once you're rooted, your warranty is voided. So you're kind of messing around in some dangerous areas. Boot Logo Changer and Boot Animation Changer, they really aren't too dangerous. Once you have a backup, you can just recover them, even if for some crazy reason you have a massive problem, which I've been messing with this for a really long time. It's something I'm very familiar with, and I've used multiple phones and not run into a single problem. So if you do have a problem, contact me. I'm sure I can help you out. But if you have all you need to do is make sure you have a backup and you'll be fine. But like I said, go ahead and install both of these, Boot Animation, Boot Logo Changer. This is really just root tools, but it has a Boot Animation Changer in it, and then this is Boot Logo. Download and install both of those. Alright, so back at the home page, I'll show you how to get a backup going in case you never have. At the very top, Flash Clockwork. Click this Flash Clockworkmod Recovery. That's going to install a recovery mode on your phone in case there's any problems when you boot up your phone. You can always just go to recovery mode and boot up your backup. So once that's flashed, you're going to want to go down to backup current ROM. Before you back up a ROM, I highly suggest you delete anything you don't want, like text messages, because it is going to save everything. It'll save videos, pictures, text messages, anything that you don't want, go ahead and delete, and make sure you have like a perfect backup, because it is kind of an annoyance when you back your phone up and you have text messages from months ago. So once you have a backup, go ahead and go into Boot Logo Changer and go to the home page for me, and you have a Choose Custom. To save some time, we're not going to go much into that. If you do the Help How-To option, he shows you how to build your own boot logo, which is really neat. But to save time, like I said, just go to the online library, and I was in Android logo. There's a bunch of other options, but we'll start here. And let's see, we've got like Jedi Android Slicing Apple. That sounds pretty cool, and look at that. That's a lot better than the stock Motorola logo that I have. So I'm going to flash that. It's going to retrieve that file, and right down there, it's been granted super users, and the process was successful. So we're okay there. And now we're going to go back into the root tools, or enter into it. And this is a pretty cool app. It's a little more advanced, so I would just kind of suggest staying on track. But if you want to kind of mess around, the build prop editor is pretty cool. The LC density I'm a big fan of. Makes your phone, you can kind of decide how large buttons are, and it's a pretty cool little option. But to stay on track, just go to Boot Animations. You can hit OK to this. It just suggests the backups, all that was. And you have all these custom boot animations that are pretty cool. One I've been pretty fond of so far, and I've really been liking, is just the bottom one here, Super Mario. That one's just really cool. It's a lot of fun. But I think that little box there is a process successful box, because I don't see anything going on in the background after that. But once that little box pops up, I'm just going to go ahead and back out. And then I'm going to turn and reboot I'm going to turn off my phone and reboot it back on to see my custom boot and logo and animation. So just power this off here. While that's shutting down, I just want to apologize. I haven't been able to make videos lately for all my subscribers because my camera busted. So as soon as I found a camera that would work for me, I went ahead and made a video as fast as possible. But my phone booted off, so we're going to go ahead and boot it up, and look at that. There's my custom boot logo, the Android slicing apple, which is awesome. And while that's booting up, let's see my boot animation, hopefully, is Super Mario. Alright, come on, and there we go, Super Mario. So that's a lot cooler than the regular boot animation that you have, and it's a lot cooler to walk around and show this off and be like, hey, check this out. There's a gingerbread one I really, really like. There's a Decepticon boot animation that is awesome that I'm a huge fan of. But I hope I helped you out. This is a boot logo and animation tutorial that I hope will get pretty viral because some people have been asking me questions about it lately. But if for some reason the only problem I've ever heard about online is a boot loop, it's where your boot animation keeps running and running. I heard it's about a 1 in 100 chances. I guess you have to really install like a bunch of them all at once and you get a massive problem. It's not a problem at all. What you need to do to fix is, all you need to do is while you're booting in your boot logo, not the animation, while your phone's booting up, on the Droid X, I just hold the search button and it puts me in my recovery mode. On HTC phones, I believe it's the volume rocker down and the search button as well, or the home button. But what you want to do is just look online what your how to enter recovery mode on your phone, and then once you reach your recovery mode, you made a backup earlier with Rom Manager, and you can just launch a backup. So all your boot animations will be gone, and you'll just be back to stock. But like I said, I hope it helped you out. Please click some ads on my website. Yeah, paying for all my websites is really killing me and only making a couple cents a day. See here, I've made nothing so far at all. So please click some ads. I've really worked really hard on it. But thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if you want to see some more awesome videos and tips. Thanks.